Welcome back to Roaming Lovebirds. Retiring on a small pension or social security can seem daunting, especially when considering the high cost of living in many countries. However, several countries around the world offer a comfortable lifestyle, vibrant cultures, and beautiful surroundings at a fraction of the cost. In this video, we'll explore some of the best countries to retire on a small pension or social security, considering factors like cost of living, healthcare, quality of life, and expatriate communities. List number 1. Portugal. Cost of living. Portugal is one of the most affordable countries in Western Europe, making it an attractive destination for retirees on a budget. The cost of living in Portugal is significantly lower than in many other European countries. For instance, a couple can comfortably live in Lisbon, the capital, on about $2,200 per month, while in smaller towns, this cost can drop to $1,500 per month. Healthcare. Portugal offers excellent healthcare services, both public and private. The public healthcare system is funded through taxation and provides high-quality care. Many expatriates also opt for private health insurance due to the shorter waiting times and broader range of services. Quality of life. Portugal is known for its mild climate, beautiful landscapes, and friendly locals. The country boasts stunning coastlines, historic cities, and a rich cultural heritage. Whether you enjoy relaxing on the beach, exploring medieval castles, or sipping wine in the Douro Valley, Portugal has something for everyone. Expatriate communities. Portugal has a growing expatriate community, particularly in cities like Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve region. This makes it easier for retirees to find support and socialize with others who have made the move. List number 2. Mexico. Cost of living. Mexico offers an affordable cost of living, making it a popular choice for retirees. Depending on the location, a couple can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,000 per month. Cities like Mérida and San Miguel de Allende are especially popular among expatriates due to their lower costs and high quality of life. Healthcare. Mexico provides high-quality healthcare at a fraction of the cost found in the United States. Both public and private healthcare services are available, with private care being preferred by many expatriates. Many doctors in Mexico are trained in the US or Europe, ensuring a high standard of medical care. Quality of life. Mexico offers a diverse range of environments, from bustling cities to serene beach towns and charming colonial villages. The climate varies widely, allowing retirees to choose from warm coastal areas or cooler highland regions. Mexican culture is vibrant, with a rich history, delicious cuisine, and numerous festivals and celebrations throughout the year. Expatriate communities. Mexico has one of the largest expatriate communities in the world, particularly in areas like Lake Chapala, Puerto Vallarta, and the Yucatan Peninsula. This provides ample opportunities for socializing and finding support among fellow retirees. List number 3. Ecuador. Cost of living. Ecuador is known for its incredibly low cost of living. A couple can live comfortably on $1,500 per month, including rent. Cities like Cuenca and Loja are particularly popular for their affordability and quality of life. Healthcare. Ecuador offers both public and private healthcare services. The public healthcare system is very affordable, and many expatriates also opt for private health insurance due to its higher standard and shorter waiting times. Major cities like Quito and Guayaquil have modern hospitals with well-trained medical staff. Quality of life. Ecuador boasts a diverse landscape, from the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains and the stunning Galapagos Islands. The climate is mild year-round in many parts of the country. Ecuador's rich culture and history, combined with its natural beauty, make it an attractive destination for retirees. Expatriate communities. Ecuador has a growing expatriate community, especially in cities like Cuenca and Vilcabamba. These communities provide a supportive network for newcomers and offer various activities and events to help retirees settle in and make friends. List number 4. Thailand. Cost of living. Thailand is renowned for its low cost of living, making it an excellent choice for retirees on a budget. A couple can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,000 per month in cities like Chiang Mai. Even in Bangkok, the cost of living remains relatively low compared to Western standards. Healthcare. Thailand has a world-class healthcare system with many hospitals and clinics meeting international standards. Medical care is affordable, and many doctors speak English. Thailand is also known for medical tourism, offering high-quality care at much lower prices than in the West. Quality of life. Thailand offers a warm climate, beautiful beaches, and a rich cultural heritage. The country is known for its friendly people, delicious cuisine, and vibrant markets. Whether you prefer the bustling city life of Bangkok or the tranquil countryside of Chiang Mai, Thailand has something for everyone. Expatriate communities. Thailand has a large and active expatriate community, especially in cities like Chiang Mai, Bangkok, and Pattaya. This makes it easy for retirees to find support, socialize, and enjoy a variety of activities and events. List number 5. Costa Rica. Cost of living. Costa Rica is a popular retirement destination due to its reasonable cost of living. A couple can live comfortably on $1,800 to $2,500 per month, depending on the location. The Central Valley region, including cities like San Jose and Eight Nars, offers a particularly affordable lifestyle. Healthcare. Costa Rica is known for its excellent healthcare system, which includes both public and private options. The public healthcare system, known as the CARJA, provides affordable care to residents. Many expatriates also opt for private health insurance to access a wider range of services and shorter waiting times. Quality of life. Costa Rica offers a high quality of life with its stunning natural beauty, from lush rainforests and volcanoes to pristine beaches. The country is known for its focus on environmental sustainability and its friendly, welcoming people. The climate is warm year-round, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a tropical paradise. Expatriate communities. Costa Rica has a well-established expatriate community, particularly in the Central Valley and coastal areas like the Nicoya Peninsula. This community provides a supportive network for retirees, with numerous activities, clubs, and events to help newcomers settle in. List number 6. Panama. Cost of living. Panama offers an affordable cost of living, making it an attractive destination for retirees. A couple can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,500 per month, depending on the location. Areas like Boquete and Panama City are popular among expatriates for their affordability and amenities. Healthcare. Panama has a high-quality healthcare system with modern hospitals and clinics. Both public and private healthcare services are available, with private care being preferred by many expatriates. Medical care is affordable, and many doctors are trained in the US or Europe. Quality of life. Panama offers a warm climate, beautiful beaches, and a variety of landscapes, from tropical rainforests to mountain regions. The country has a rich cultural heritage and is known for its friendly people. Whether you prefer the vibrant city life of Panama City or the tranquility of a small town like Boquete, Panama has something to offer. Expatriate communities. Panama has a growing expatriate community, particularly in areas like Boquete and Coronado. This community provides a supportive network for retirees, with numerous social activities and events to help newcomers feel at home. List number 7. Malaysia. Cost of living. Malaysia is known for its low cost of living, making it an excellent choice for retirees on a budget. A couple can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,000 per month in cities like Penang or Kuala Lumpur. Housing, food, and transportation are all very affordable. Healthcare. Malaysia offers high-quality healthcare services at a fraction of the cost found in Western countries. The country has many modern hospitals and clinics with well-trained medical staff. Many doctors speak English, making it easier for expatriates to navigate the healthcare system. Quality of life. Malaysia offers a diverse range of environments, from bustling cities to serene islands and lush rainforests. The climate is warm year-round, and the country has a rich cultural heritage, delicious cuisine, and friendly locals. Whether you enjoy exploring vibrant markets, relaxing on the beach, or hiking in the mountains, Malaysia has something for everyone. Expatriate communities. Malaysia has a large expatriate community, particularly in cities like Penang and Kuala Lumpur. This community provides a supportive network for retirees, with numerous activities, clubs, and events to help newcomers settle in and make friends. List number 8. Colombia. Cost of living. Colombia offers a low cost of living, making it an attractive destination for retirees. A couple can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,000 per month in cities like Medellin or Cali. Housing, food, and transportation are all very affordable. Healthcare. Colombia has a high-quality healthcare system with many modern hospitals and clinics. Both public and private healthcare services are available, with private care being preferred by many expatriates. Medical care is affordable, and many doctors are trained in the US or Europe. Quality of life. Colombia offers a diverse range of environments, from bustling cities to serene coffee regions and beautiful Caribbean beaches. The climate varies widely, allowing retirees to choose from warm coastal areas or cooler highland regions. Colombian culture is vibrant, with a rich history, delicious cuisine, and numerous festivals and celebrations throughout the year. Expatriate communities. Colombia has a growing expatriate community, particularly in cities like Medellin and Bogotá. This community provides a supportive network for retirees, with numerous activities and events to help newcomers settle in and make friends. Conclusion. Retiring on a small pension or social security doesn't mean sacrificing quality of life. By choosing the right destination, you can enjoy a comfortable and fulfilling retirement while making the most of your hard-earned savings. Portugal, Mexico, Thailand, Colombia, and Ecuador each offer unique benefits for retirees looking for affordability and adventure. Each of these countries provides a blend of lower living costs, good healthcare, and welcoming communities, making them excellent choices for those looking to retire abroad on a modest income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching Roaming Lovebirds. See you next time.